once you feel that rush of having a piece, you know what? I think we should just start. This is probably like my favorite topic ever. So why would you want to collect art? Why wouldn't you want to collect art? Trade tokens, trade pictures, trade whales. You know, if you want to collect anything from anybody, anything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl in art, fashion, and tech. And today we're gonna be talking about my favorite topic ever, which is collecting art. Yeah, I'm excited because especially for this channel, because I'm gonna be talking about the artists a lot. And if you want to collect my art, or if you want to collect artists that I mentioned, or any artists that you like, depending if they have collections, you can be able to collect their art and say that you participate or say that you're part of this artist's journey. Now, by the end of this video, I hope that you'll be able to leave this video with a new art piece in your wallet. I'm gonna give you guys a free mint at the end of this video. You have your crypto wallet so that you can be able to collect other artists, and you have a free mint, and you have your own very first art piece collected by me. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get right into it. The first thing that you need, this light is like lighting. It's like lights just all over my face. It's making my forehead shiny. I got my laptop here. We're gonna start typing because we're going on the web. You can also do this on your phone, but I honestly highly recommend that you do it on the web. So the first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna go to MetaMask. MetaMask.io. So MetaMask is a crypto wallet for DeFi. It's for NFTs, for collecting anything that you're gonna collect. Okay, so you go to MetaMask, right? If you go to MetaMask, they give you the option to download it. You can also download it on your phone. If you're doing it on the browser, it'll give you the option to add it as an extension. Please do that. Add it as an extension, because every time you go to a website that's Web3 related, it'll always ask to connect to your MetaMask. So do that if you're doing it on your computer. But if you're doing it on your phone, just download the app. We shall begin, okay? This is how you begin. This is how you start. The first thing you see is MetaMask. Import your seed phrase or create a new wallet. So since you're a beginner, you will create a new wallet, of course, right? It'll take you through the process, right? And this is the part that you have to make sure you don't skip through. It says your seed phrase. So it'll give you a list of 12 words, and these are called your seed phrase. With your seed phrase, it's like your ultimate password. Because if you don't have your seed phrase, you're not able to get into your wallet. And also, people are gonna be able to steal your Ethereum. They can steal your money, your crypto, your collections, the art that you collected, things like that. You know, so you definitely want to keep this safe. And it tells you to write it down somewhere and keep it safe somewhere. So make sure you write it down and keep it safe somewhere. As soon as you're done, it'll tell you to verify. Now you're in MetaMask. Oh my gosh! You just created a crypto wallet.
Wow.
You just created a crypto wallet. That is the first step, and I'm so proud of you. So this is your first crypto wallet, right? You need to know what your wallet address is. This is your address. This is where people, if somebody wants to send you either crypto or a new piece or a new art piece or whatever it is that has to do with DeFi and crypto wallets, if they want to send you something, they need your wallet address. So you can see your wallet address. It says it underneath account 1. And it's a list of letters, and you don't have to memorize your wallet address. It's just, if somebody asks for it, just go to the app, copy it, send it. So with this wallet address, if you were to purchase an art piece, it shows proof that you were one of the first people, or you were one of those people that purchased the art piece. It authenticates you. You know, this is like it's like your ID. You know, it's like your ID number. It lets people know that this is you in the blockchain. So like I said, I want to do an airdrop for my collectors or people that have been supporting me, and I have a list of certain wallet address because of past purchases. I can be like, hey, let me add this wallet address and then send it straight to y'all. That's really, really good. I'm gonna get my phone with it. So if you click on the three lines, it looks like this. and it's gonna be on the left side of the screen. Click on the three lines, right? And it'll show you, it'll say account not one, and it'll show you the balance. So far, you probably have 0 in your account right now. This is very important. I wanted you guys to add your phone funds because one, I'm gonna do one option that's free and one option that's gonna be a minted piece, right? That you gotta pay for. But regardless of that, on the blockchain with crypto wallets and just on the blockchain in general, it does charge you for gas prices. So gas prices can range from anywhere from like $2 to $3 or $1 to like whatever amount, because it depends on how many people are online, how many people are moving. So it's called gas prices. So it charges you literally a gas price. Like whenever you move in your car, every time you make any type of transactions on the blockchain, it charges you gas prices. So think of it like you're driving a car, you want to go somewhere, you need gas in your car. So for you to get to your destination, you need to pay for gas prices. And then at the bottom it says send, and it also says add funds. If you want to send people crypto or art pieces, you can be able to send it. If once you have their wallet address, you'll be able to send it to them. But right now we need to add funds into our account. So add funds. Okay, I hope I'm not confused, you guys. I'm not confusing you guys. I hope you guys are doing great. The update, you're able to buy ETH directly from MetaMask. So it will say buy crypto tokens. You say whatever place that so you click buy, you click add funds, and then you click buy ETH. Then it asks to select your region, so wherever you're from, select it, and then select your state. I don't really do it through MetaMask, but I'm happy that it did this. So it gives you PayPal, they give you instant bank transfer, Apple Pay, debit or credit. This is, oh my god, I am so late because I didn't even know that they updated it. Because back in the day, it used to be so stressful trying to add funds to your wallet, and now it's just, you can directly just put it straight through. So do whatever payment that you want to do, and then do whatever amount that you want to do, right? So 3 bars to the left side of your MetaMask. Open it up and it'll say browser. Browser is where you would go to find the artist that you're looking for. It's just the internet inside MetaMask, the crypto wallet. Because it's a Web3 function, it's able to connect to a Web3 website automatically as long as you're inside this browser. You can't just do it off of your regular phone browser. You have to go through MetaMask and then you press the browser inside MetaMask. But on your laptop, if you have that extension like that I mentioned earlier, it'll automatically just find it. Most of the artists that I mentioned are usually on Twitter, and then they usually have their art on certain platforms. So like, depending on what platform it is that the artist has, they'll let you know. They'll put the link like usually underneath what art that they're selling. If they're not selling any art, they might just not do digital assets. So you should probably like ask them if your artist that you're doing is not doing it. But because of this learning experience, because I'm teaching y'all today, I'm giving you guys a free mint so that by the end of this video, you have a piece of art inside your wallet. I created a manifold contract just for this video. So let me see. Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I'm so excited because this is really, really good because, so I've added the art piece on Manifold, and I'm actually gonna do another video on how to create your own and stuff. So, and you know how to do all that. But for collectors, you're gonna collect this. It's free art. Might as well collect it. Might as well create your crypto wallet so you won't have to like try to rush to get something before it runs out. Before, you know what I mean? So yeah. So I'll have the link below in my description of the free one that you can claim, and you can just copy paste that to your phone or wherever it is that you're getting it from. So if you're on your browser, your MetaMask should automatically just go, okay? So I'm excited. I don't think I've ever did a free mint before, so I'm really excited. This is a piece. The piece is beautiful. It's called WAKEY BAKEY, and I think it's very much, it's so cute. I just love it. It's a cute piece. I love it so much. It's adorable. So, oh, it's a cute eBay. So I have 2 options. One of the pieces is gonna be free minted and it's gonna be a still version. I will say everybody get it. Your first mint, get it. And if you want, you can get the paid option, which is an animated version with music. And then you have, either way, you have pieces. Congratulations. You first collected art piece. Congratulations. I think that's pretty much it on collecting art. If you have any artists that you want to collect, just follow them on Twitter. Just follow them on Twitter, see what they're doing. Follow me on Twitter, see what I'm doing, because I don't really post all of my art on YouTube. Like, YouTube is so long. Sometimes I just draw and just post. I'm also gonna do a video for people to create their own digital assets. And I say digital assets because it's not only art that you can do this with. Comment back down below, new video ideas, things like that, and I'll be sure to get to them. Thank you. Bye. Do you like my hair? It's giving eggplant. It's giving eggplant. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I love you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, thank you. Bye, love you.